Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add your Ecwid store to Google Sites. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ecwid store right here at ecwid.com if you've not already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your account if you have not already, and after logging in successfully you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where the left side of the screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as dashboard, sales, catalog, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started adding our Ecwid store to Google Sites. So basically guys, we are going to go ahead and be using this option right here. As you can see, we have an article showing us the best way to add e-commerce to Google Sites. So we have multiple options, such as embedding our store as a code into your page, which isn't the best way, but you can do this successfully as well as embedding your store as a page that you can then post anywhere. But guys, the best option that is provided is to instance site and subdomain. So this is an option that you can use. So you can see all Ecwid stores have a free storefront, which is called instance site, where you can go ahead and access it from the web and you can put it wherever you want. So using this instance store option right here that you can go ahead and turn your store into, you can use it and then put it into your Google Sites anywhere you please. So as you can see, you can launch your online store in less than 30 minutes. You can get started signing up for the instance site, and once you have your instance site and subdomain guys, you can go ahead and get started inputting it into your Google Sites, following the steps right here, and that's basically how. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.